All right, ladies and gentlemen, as a part of us going through the civil rights movement, one of the things we're going to talk about is the Jim Crow laws. So let's talk about the Jim Crow laws. Ladies and gentlemen, every question that I ask or that you see on the slide, I want you to respond in a discussion post. All right. In your notebooks, what do you notice? What do you wonder? Okay. Today, we're going to be investigating a set of laws that began in many southern states during Reconstruction. As you read more about the Jim Crow laws, you will use a strategy called Say Something. You will read the Jim Crow laws and practices passage with a partner. One partner will be partner A and the other partner will be partner B. Both partners will read the paragraph, then take turns saying something about what you just read. Use the Say Something anchor chart to help you use this strategy to better understand the passage. So as you're reading, you and your partner will say something about the paragraph. If you notice, there's a say something next to almost every paragraph. So as you're reading, I want you to turn and talk with your partner and also share what you learned in that paragraph or two paragraphs. Okay? So one thing that I want you to know is that Jim Crow laws were mandated during segregation in public places. As we review these pictures, I want you to think about the places that is following the Jim Crow practices. Okay, all right. Today we will explore more about Jim Crow laws and practices in the United States. We learned about these laws and practices in our previous lesson. I want you to turn and talk with a partner about a few facts that you remember about Jim Crow laws. I'm going to show you a few more images, and as you view the images, I want you to think about how it relates to the Jim Crow laws. What is the situation in each photograph? So let's go back and look at those photographs. All right, now here's what you're going to do. You may have some more pictures on the worksheet that I left for you, but here's what you're going to do. You're going to use the paired pictures that I just showed you and the ones that you have in your packet to complete the analysis questions. Here's what you're going to do. In the discussion post, you're going to answer these 4 questions. What facilities are shown in the picture? A facility is just a building or a place. How are the facilities related to Jim Crow laws? Do you see any advantage or disadvantage in the paired pictures? Who has the advantage and who has the disadvantage? Explain. Do you think the Jim Crow laws and practices of separate but equal are fair? And I want you to use evidence from the paired pictures to support your thinking, as well as the passage that you read. All right.